Hello, everyone. I'm Allison Shaw, and I'm a wellness coach. Among other practices, I generally recommend meditation as a pillar in one's quest for a stress-free and peaceful existence on our planet, and most of my students ask me how to determine if a meditation teacher is acceptable or even excellent. Well, embarking on the quest for a meditation guide is akin to uncovering the essence of enlightenment within oneself. So, here's the significance of a meditation mentor. A meditation mentor aids us in our practice, imparting wisdom in ethics, meditation techniques, and spiritual insight. Additionally, the mentor may assume the role of a spiritual confidant, exemplifying the potential of walking a spiritual path through their own embodiment of its principles. Acting as a reflective mirror, the mentor echoes back our mental state, ultimately unveiling our authentic nature. But in our current untrained state of mind, how do we discern the right meditation mentor? To find a meditation instructor, it helps to apply the principles of mindfulness and awareness as best as we can. This process involves cultivating awareness of ourselves, our intentions, the mentor, their potential motivations, and the dynamics of the relationship. So here we'll begin by selecting a meditation mentor. Whether we seek beginner-friendly online meditation classes, Buddhist meditation instruction, or any other form of meditation guidance, the benefits are maximized by meticulous selection of our mentor. The most enriching mindfulness courses online do not solely focus on meditation techniques, but lead us through a comprehensive journey of mindfulness. Thus, it is imperative to find a mentor and program capable of accompanying us along the path, not just at its inception. Choosing a meditation mentor is a journey that entails understanding our current position and our aspirations. This process commences with openness, curiosity, and asking pertinent questions. There are also 6 queries to pose to a meditation mentor. Reflecting upon the following inquiries can shed light on whether a mentor is a suitable match. As you contemplate these questions, remain attuned to bodily sensations, as the body often harbors wisdom that the mind has yet to fully grasp. Ask yourself, does this person possess the knowledge I seek? Assessing whether a meditation mentor possesses the desired knowledge can be challenging, particularly when one's objectives are unclear. Evidence of adequate training is not solely confined to a mentor's credentials, but is also discerned through the usefulness of the information imparted and their willingness to address queries. And ask if they're affiliated with an authentic lineage. For those seeking a Buddhist meditation mentor, understanding different Buddhist meditation traditions is crucial. Inquire about the mentor's lineage and training, particularly if formal initiation is anticipated. And do other mentors recognize them? Esteemed meditation mentors are often part of a community that values mutual respect and recognition. While international acclaim is not a prerequisite, affiliation with a respected mindfulness and meditation community is a positive indicator of a mentor's credibility. What about exuding inspiration? Inspirational mentors not only espouse virtuous principles, but embody them in their actions. Observe how you feel in their presence and assess their interactions with others. And they must be compassionate. An authentic meditation path is underpinned by compassion. Evaluating a mentor's compassion toward others is integral to assessing their suitability. Next, what are their other mentees like? A mentor's effectiveness is evident not only in their teachings but also in the behavior of their mentees. Note the collective behavior of the mentor's students to gain insight into their instructional approach. And on the subject of discovering a meditation mentor. Upon identifying a meditation mentor, autonomy over one's practice remains paramount. Continuously evaluate the mentor-student relationship, discerning what draws you to them, and being vigilant for potential concerns. Attraction to certain mentor qualities may stem from an internal longing for those attributes. However, discernment is crucial, as superficial qualities such as popularity or charm do not necessarily equate to spiritual fulfillment. Trust in a mentor should complement, not supersede, trust in oneself. Throughout this journey, maintaining boundaries and speaking out against harmful behavior are responsibilities shared by both mentor and mentee. While the mentor serves as a valuable companion, the ultimate guide resides within. I'd like to offer you a free introductory video course on meditation. Simply click on the link in the description box below, and you can access this course. While your focus is there, kindly give us a like and a subscribe to help spread the word on the benefits of meditation, and thank you for your time. Cheers!